Hello everyone. Today we will solve question number 7 of exercise Force and Laws of Motion of class 9. Here is the question and let us solve this question. Let us see what is given and how we can solve this one, right. This is the solution. First we will read the question. What is the question? A 8000 kg engine pulls a train of 5 wagons each of 2000 kg along a horizontal track. If the engine exerts a force of 40,000 Newton and the track offers a frictional force of 5,000 Newton, then calculate the net accelerating force. First of all, we will write what is given, right. First of all, we will write that is force exerted by the engine, right. First one is force exerted by the engine, force exerted by the engine. It is given that force exerted by the engine is equal to 40,000 Newton, 40,000 Newton. Let us represent it by F. Suppose this is force F exerted by the engine is 40,000 Newton, right, and frictional force offered by the track, frictional force offered by the track, frictional force offered by the track. Let us represent F. Frictional force is equal to 5,000 Newton, right. Therefore, net accelerating force, therefore, we can write net accelerating force, F acceleration A is equal to F minus frictional force. What is F? F is 40,000 Newton, 40,000 Newton minus frictional force is 5,000 Newton, and it comes to 35,000 Newton, 35,000 Newton. That is the net accelerating force, right. Number 2 is the acceleration of the train. We have to find the acceleration. This is A. When we solve B, what is the solution of B? The acceleration of the train we have to be found out, right. First of all, we found the total mass, right. First we will find the total mass. What is the total mass here? That we will find, right. Total mass is here engine 8000, the engine mass of the engine and mass of the wagon. Total mass is equal to mass of engine plus mass of wagons. Mass of engine is 8000 kg, 8000, and mass of wagon, there are 5 wagons and each is 2000 kg, that is 2000 into 5, this much kg. Therefore, we are getting as 8000 plus 10,000 kg, and that comes to 18,000 kg, 18,000 kg, right. Now, we have to find the acceleration of the train. According to Newton's second law of motion, we now know that F is equal to m into a, right. The m is the total mass, right. Therefore, to find the acceleration, A is equal to F by m. F means F, accelerating force. What is the acceleration of 35,000? That is, it is equal to 35,000, and total mass is 18,000, right. Therefore, acceleration is 35,000 by 18,000. Now, we will calculate the acceleration. You see here this 0 will cut, this 0 and this 0 will cut. 35 by 18. If we divide 35 by 18. Let us find out the division. It is 18 1 is 18, 7, 1, 17, that is 0.0, then it is 9, 18, 9, 8 9 is 72, 9 is 9, 7, 16, 162 minus it is 8, what is there? 0, 4, what is there? 18 4, what is 32, 72 minus this is 8, what is there? 0, 4, 72 again and 4, that is all. Therefore, the acceleration is equal to 1.944 meter per second square, meter per second square, that is the acceleration, right. Now, we will find the force of wagon, then calculate this is the acceleration of the train, right. If you want to find the force of wagon, if you want to find the force on wagon, then you have to multiply this acceleration with this one, right. Let us find another thing, that is force of wagon. Now, force of wagon, one on wagon 2, then it will be m into a, mass of the wagon is 8,000 into 1.944, and that comes to 155.15552 Newton. Though it is not needed in the question, but we solve it, right. So, the force of wagon 1 on wagon 2 is m into a, that is 8,000, and this acceleration, that is 1552 Newton. Thank you everybody for watching this video.